Hey my friends, this is Sylvie Curry, Lady of Q, and I'm in my kitchen. I didn't plan on doing a video today, but I thought I'm going to be making something, maybe it'd be of interest to you guys. I'm going to be making an avocado crema, which is similar to a cream avocado with a Greek yogurt, sour cream type ingredients in it. But I'm going to be making it a little bit chunky because I'm going to be adding a few other ingredients to it to make it more like an avocado crema salsa. Let's go do this. Join me. These are the ingredients I'm going to be using to make this crema. I've got some salt, and that's going to be to taste, and I've got about 2 teaspoons in there currently. I'm going to be using a tzatziki, which is a Greek-style yogurt dip. That is a combination of Greek yogurt and sour cream. Ordinarily in an avocado crema, you would use sour cream or you would use yogurt. Well, I've got the combination here, so we're going to see how this goes. I've got some lime juice, and I'm going to start out with about 2 tablespoons of lime juice in this. This is about 1/4 cup of cilantro that I'm going to combine. I'm only going to be using maybe about a teaspoon or 2 of this minced garlic. I've got some shallots here, and I'm going to use maybe I'm going to go for a couple of tablespoons of that. And I've got 2 ripe avocados. Let's put this baby together. Let's start out by getting my avocados together. And I'm going to cut into them, making sure that they're perfect. We're good to go. I'm going to take the avocados and take out the flesh and put it in my food processor here. To these avocados, I'm going to add the lime juice. 1, that's 2 tablespoons. And I'm going to start out by processing one at a time. I've got both of my avocados in here, and they're smooth. Now I'm going to add in the cilantro first. And we'll get that mixed in there. I'm using just the leaves, not the stems. Got the cilantro mixed in. The next ingredient I'm going to put in is going to be the garlic. And I'm putting in about a teaspoon. It's going to be really garlicky. And that's probably about 2 cloves. Garlic is in. That's going in I'm going to put in the shallots, and that's probably about a couple of tablespoons. In addition, I'm going to put in some of the salt. I'm going to start off with a teaspoon. So we've got all those ingredients in there. Now I've got to add the tzatziki. Take this off. And I'm going to be using about 1/2 cup of the tzatziki. Keep in mind the tzatziki has cucumber and some dill in it. It does have some lemon, some salt, pepper, and of course the Greek yogurt. take the avocado mixture and add that to the tzatziki. I'll take that mixture, mix it all up. And as I mentioned before, this is a cross between an avocado crema and an avocado salsa. And of course, all those flavors haven't had a chance to meld yet, so I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for a couple hours before dinner. We're going to give it a taste for salt right now. Can take a little more. In addition, I think I'm going to put a little bit more of that lime juice in there. That's probably about a teaspoon. That's on point. I needed that little bit more acidity that lime juice gave it. The avocado crema is complete. Combination of avocado crema with an avocado salsa, made with a tzatziki type sauce, which is a combination of some Greek yogurt and sour cream, mixed in with some lime juice, garlic, shallots, cilantro, and salt. If you wanted to pep this up a little bit, give it a little pop, you can add in some red pepper flakes. You can also add in something like jalapenos diced. This can go well on, say, fish tacos, a salad, as a dip. Your choice. Creamy avocado salsa.